Hey guys, so this is your boy Josh of Basic Value, and for today's video, we are going to be creating a chasing game in Scratch and in the fastest way possible. So let's get into this one. First, you need this block, but I'm not going to connect it. I'm not going to connect the rest of the block so that doesn't interrupt our coding. So we're just going to be using the if then. This is going to be somewhat repetitive coding, by the way. So I need key press. So when right arrow is pressed, then change x by 10. Then another if. Below that, then let's just copy this one so that we move faster. Left arrow, then change x by -10, of course, because it's going to be in the opposite direction. Okay, so the next set of blocks is for up arrow and another for the down arrow. Let me just move this one right here. Let's just change this to up arrow. Then this should be change y. So let's delete this one. Should be y. Change y by 10 and -10, of course. So let me just set these things straight. Down arrow. So let's see. Okay, moves perfectly. Next, we're gonna be choosing a sprite that would be, somewhat the goal to chase for. Choose a sprite. I think the basketball would do. So for this sprite, there's a different set of coding. So first, you want this one again, and then the forever block, and the if block. If then touching. So okay, touching sprite 1. Righty. Then let's just put in some sounds so that basketball bounce. Let's just do pop. Then go to random position, and this is already good. So let's see. Okay, it already goes to different directions. Okay, next we're gonna be choosing a new sprite that would be chasing us. So let's just say a bear is chasing us. Okay. So for the bear, the code would be somehow the same. It's gonna be somehow the same with the first sprite because it's for movement and all. But all right. So green flag and then forever repeat. Then point towards the sprite 1. Then move 10 steps. Okay, move 10 steps. 2 steps rather. So we need to correct this one. All right. So this is how it's gonna happen. So let's just turn it full screen. Then, so the bear is gonna keep chasing us. All right. As you can see, the bear is chasing us just very slow. So you could just adjust your speed in the code. So that's how you make a chasing game in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is your boy Josh of Basic Value. I'm gonna be seeing you on the next one. Peace out, guys.